Let's get started. First, measure the distance between the middle of your banisters. Selecting a return with a larger radius than your measurement is crucial for a seamless fit. For example, with a measurement of 120 mm, we'll opt for a 140 mm return. Remove the inserts from your Woodolex return and start with the thickest one. For this job, you'll need an electric heat gun, an adhesive suitable for metal and wood, a screwdriver, and a clamp. Using the heat gun, carefully heat the first insert. Keep the gun about 10 to 15 centimeters away to evenly warm the material without burning it. Apply adhesive designed for metal and wood to the insert, then secure it to the handrail with a screw. This step ensures a sturdy base for our handrail. For extra firmness, you might also use a clamp. Now, heat the second insert until it becomes flexible. After applying wood glue, fit the second insert on top of the first. Secure this from the top with screws to ensure both inserts are firmly attached. It's time to fit the top part of the return. Heat it slowly to make it very flexible. Maintain a 10 to 15 centimeters distance from the material to avoid overheating and discoloration. Use glue on all edges inside the return and start fitting it from the top, being careful as the material is very delicate at this stage. Ensure all edges align with your banister. If necessary, use a clamp to hold the return in position until it cools down and the glue sets. Afterwards, replace the temporary screw with a longer one that matches the color of your banister, ensuring it secures all three pieces together. And that's how you fit a Woodolex handrail return. Remember to take your time and follow safety precautions when using the heat gun and handling adhesives. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and instructions.